Welcome to Short Stack Slots. I'm not at High Winds Casino today. I'm going to be playing a VGT machine, Crazy Cherry. We got $71 loaded in. We're going to start off with $3 bets. See if those cherries will come out and play today. Got a little bit of a hit right there, $6 back. Got another little hit there, $6 back. There we go, we got a $15 hit there. Back up to what we started with. Come on, Cherry, give us a red screen. Go, got a $12 hit on that one right there, no red screen yet. Just give me 3 of them cherries. Let me fall out of this chair. Got us another $12 hit there. It didn't go red. Oh man, if that cherry would have landed on that line, that'd have been 120. Just a little hit there, $6. Got us a $28 hit there. Did not go red. Oh, come on. Go red for us. Got us a $6 hit. We're up about $10 so far. Still searching for that red screen. Whoops, sorry guys. Another $6 hit. We're still slightly up on this one. It's giving us little hits, just won't turn red. There we go, guys. We got a red screen. We got mixed bars for $15. Come on, Cherry. Play this down to where we started, our 70. Got a $12 hit there. We'll do one more spin after this one, guys. Oh, well, we got a hit. Another $12. We'll stay on it. It's red again, guys. Here we go. Oh, triple bars, guys. Good deal. That's $120. Thank you, Cherry. Good deal. Alright guys, that puts us at 201. We'll do a few more spins. One more. Thank you so much for watching Short Stack Slots. Please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that thumbs up button. I'll see you soon.